from this wheel we are giving feed to the tool, and from this wheel we are giving depth of cut this time.
Gracias, un
This
pirma,
is the
bombas.
chuck and this is tool. We have to make this length 35 centimeters. I'm going to
Decker.
switch off the machine. Lathe. This is smooth finishing.
This will go inside.
Speak loudly.
The depth of cut is given by the screw.
આમ ના કરાય ખાલી એમને રખાય તો
यहाँ पानी ना क्यों डाल बराबर है ना
જરા તો પાણી ઉપર નાખે છે
Hey, see, this is the largest chip in this operation. पानी नाखो
हाँ पानी नाखी on Harisana. Now we are going to do the boring. Let us see how the boring is done. This is the boring tool, and the boring tool is set on the tool post, and the depth of cut is given and the feed is given by the compound slide.
boring tool is used to get accurate finishing art.
When we adjust the boring tool, we have to keep the to the center of the workpiece. By centering this to the center of the check.
Step to step, we have to measure the diameter to check whether the diameter is correct or not. This is done by the vernier caliper.
Hey, this is the job made.